Hi guys, uh, this is my Hyundai Santa Fe 2008. I'm having a problem the buzzing sounds coming from my speakers. Uh, so whenever I will show you later because I plugged off that one. So whenever I switch on, the buzzing sounds coming from the speakers. The reason was actually this car has before that this car has a factory installed radio. That one is an infinity sound system, and I wanted to, because my radio doesn't have aux or any USB port, so I wanted to replace that one. The other reason is the aftermarket radio is more like, if someone is very have interest in music, so aftermarket radio is best option. So I bought this Canwood CD player, and I installed here. I bought connectors from Amazon, and I connect this one here. The voice there is a the wire is showing which one is positive, which one is negative, front, rear. So it's very easy to join with the factory with the aftermarket radio. And you will get a wire code diagram as well with when you buy this one, these connectors. So this one is not a big job, this one is very easy. After that, I connect this one with car wires, and everything was working fine, just it was creating buzzing sound. So that buzzing sound was pissing me off. I saw many videos, I saw many means on YouTube, on other sites I saw many videos, but uh, uh, there were a lot of there are a lot of guys who has different views. Okay, in short, I figure out, like, if your car has a buffer, factory installed buffer, so it means your car has amplifier. And if your car has amplifier, it means uh, that amplifier is related to the car factory installed radio. I can show you the amplifier here. This is the factory installed amplifier. So when you will remove your factory installed radio deck and you are going to install a aftermarket one, it will be work, but there will be some extra sounds coming from the speakers, like buzzing sound, skinsing sound. So why this one is because this amplifier is not capable for this aftermarket radio, because this aftermarket unit is more powerful, more powerful, and so that's why that amplifier is not compatible with this one. So if you will install aftermarket and you are not going to remove that one, you will not get a good sound. You will get some types of troubles, irritations, buzzing sounds. So for that we have to bypass that one. Means the wire speaker connection, we have to install a speakers connections with direct speaker connections with this unit. We have to bypass this one. If you want to bypass this one, there are two plugs attached with this amplifier. Now this two plugs has lot of wires. How you can do that? This one is a messy job. You need a lot of patience and you need a little knowledge about electronics. So there is no video. There are some videos, there are many videos on the YouTube showing how to bypass the amplifier, but the problem is those videos showing a lot of work. So I tried, I opened this couple time. I don't have patience, so I always leave. Now I wanted to clear this one. Here what I did, when I removed these two plugs, I was not able to find the correct wires. And the other thing is, if you are able to find a wire diagram on internet, that will be more helpful to you, but not 100%. So for this model, there is no actual wire diagram available on internet. I tried too much, but I didn't found. I I paid for one side. I paid on one side $10, but that they didn't give me the proper information. So now what I am doing, I want to show you. It will be very helpful to you. Okay, if you want to see which wires are these, because both sockets have, both plugs has input and output wires for speakers. So if you want to see which one is the right speaker and which one is the left speaker, so you have to check that one. And how you can check, it's a little bit messy work. Okay, I will show you. I have this multimeter. We need to find out the connectivity between wires. We have to check the wire 1 and 2, the wires other end, means the wire which is coming from here. Suppose I can show you a little bit. Suppose this one is the factory, which one this plug is I bought from Amazon, and this plug has all the information, which one is positive, which one is negative. See this one, if you can see, yeah, all wires has information. So here what I did, I check, okay, this gray is I can show you, give me a minute. This gray is a right front positive, this gray, and the other gray with black is negative. So this one is, I see, okay, this one is 1 2 3, number 3 position, 1 2 3, and means 1 2 3 number pin. So this one goes to this plug. Here if I see, okay, top one 1 2 3, 1 2 3 means 1 2 3, this blue guy, this blue wire is a right front positive. So how I check that one, I'm using this one, this Apple memory card removal pin, and I'm using this clip. Now I have connection here, and I will insert this one, 1 2 3, 1 2 3. So you need something very thin to check. Okay, now this one is blue cable positive. I want to check where this, because here you can see a lot of blue wires, see. So it's hard to figure out. So now this wire is connected with my multimeter, and the other wire I will connect with that wire, and will check which wire is that one. So here this is blue wire. So I will check these all blue wires. Where my meter will ring means that one is the actual wire. Okay, it's hard little bit. Okay, see, no, second blue, no, third, this blue, see, it means this is this wire. So now I can see this one is front right positive. So, and I write down everything here as well here. And I checked all. You can see this one has few wires. One is for front right. Two wires are front right positive negative. Two wires are positive negative for front right, front rear. Same here, left front, left rear, positive negative wires. So now I know that which wires are in this plugs belongs to left and right positive negative speakers wires. And now I know that in this, or these wires are coming from this radio, and I have outputs here for my speakers, all positive negative wires. Okay, and now after that, this plug has wires which are going to all speakers. I will cut this one, and then I will cut this one, and I will connect these wires to that. So these output wires from radio will go to input wires in the speakers. So guys, this way you can find the wires and write down on the paper. Now you have all the information for this plug, which wire is for front right, which one is left right. So which one is for right speakers, which one is for left speakers, positive negatives. So now I have all the information from till here. Now I can pack this one. I know no need to open this one. So this way we can do that. Now I will join this one, then I will show you that one also.